Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to play ni, dha and then pa. Okay, so in this video, I will give you a couple of practice where you can how you can move these fingers on flexible way. I mean in a very smooth way how you can move it. First practice is 8 beat, 4 beat, 2 beat, 1 beat. This is very important. Now again the next task is on the upper note sign, means sa re ga ma. I am a left hand player, I am playing sa re ga ma. Okay, so this hand practice will be so what I did, sa re sa ga sa ma ga ma re ma sa. First note to move second note, first note to move third note, first note to move fourth note. Okay, so same things we'll do this pa dha ni sa. What I did, pa dha pa ni pa sa, sa ni sa dha sa pa. Clear? So we will do continuously this. Pa to tivrama. Clear? Same things. Pa dha pa ni pa sa pa re pa ga pa ma. Pa ga ma re ma sa ma ni ma dha ma pa. If you do this, always say in your mind the notes, then it will be play, and go slowly. Do not go fast. Now what I did, pa sa dha sa ni sa. Same things we will do for this finger. Sa ma re ma ga ma. Okay, pa sa dha sa ni sa ma re ma ga ma. Now I'll do pa ma. Understood? It's very easy, but you need to go proper way, then it will come perfectly. Now I'll go for opposite direction. See? Ma bespa, ga bespa, re bespa, sa bespa, ni bespa, dha bespa. So always I am pronouncing the base pa, that you need to understand. We have learned pa dha ni sa. Okay, that much is for today. You need to practice, then you will come perfectly. All the best. Please practice and practice. Bye bye. See you in another video.